What's going on, everyone? This is update number 1 for the Model X that we just got. I'm shooting inside my shed, brand new place to shoot at, so I'm trying to figure out the lighting and things. So hopefully this works out okay. So we got delivery of our 2022 Model X on September 24th, and right off the bat, we've already experienced some issues. If you haven't seen that video, please go check it out, as well as the first delivery issue video, which I'll have linked down below. So what the service department told me is that any panel issues, misalignments, and paint defects, they go through a third party, but they are a Tesla approved body shop. And unfortunately, they have to go with their schedule. The Tesla service center and the body shop that they work with have different schedules. And right now, I guess the 1 or 2 body shops that they work with are pretty busy. And the earliest that they were able to schedule us was for October 17th. Since then, we found 2 additional issues, and I'm gonna be sharing that with you today. The first one is in the A-pillar. Let me try and read what I sent them. Just wanted to add another issue. The driver's side A-pillar where their sun visor is attached, it's not closed up all the way. We compared it to the passenger side and it's closed up. So yeah, we've noticed that as we have been driving, and I'm like, wait a minute, is this kind of not attached properly, or there's like gaps? And so we compared it with the passenger side, and sure enough, there is a gap. So once we've added it to the ticket, they said, thank you, it's been noted. Now for the second issue, second brand new issue, is we started noticing some clicking sounds when we were parking. So between the speeds of 1 to roughly 15 miles an hour, so usually just parking in or leaving a parking spot, we've noticed some clicking sound, and I'm gonna add the video that we recorded. And so I sent them a message and I said, I wanted to add another issue to this ticket. When parking or traveling at a very low speed, 1 to 8 miles per hour, and turning the yoke, there's clicking noises. I've recorded the video but don't know how to attach it here. Their response was, thank you, we have added this, no worries. We will have you test drive with our technician. So there's no way to really add video files to the tickets, just images. And I also want to mention that if you're not accustomed to doing that, record everything with your phone camera. What's good about it is it has timestamps there. And so they'll usually ask, okay, did you take a picture or did you record a video? And they'll ask for the timestamp. The reason being is these cars keep a log of pretty much everything that's going on in that video. And their service center technicians have access to these things, and so they can check the timestamp of the video or the photos, and they can go and see if the car has logged any errors. So providing those timestamps, they can check the logs and figure out what's going on, or at least help them figure out what's going on. Because sometimes these are random issues that just think of it as a computer. It's like, okay, these things are happening, but as soon as I get on with a technician or I take it to, a computer shop, why isn't the error happening? It's the same thing. Just imagine your car is a computer with wheels. This is how you normally would troubleshoot things and just help them out, and maybe even help you explain what's going on. So the third update I want to share with you today is they rescheduled our original service appointment, and this is the message that they sent. Hello Sherwin, this is a message from Tesla Service. We have an important update in regards to your upcoming appointment. The parts ordered for your vehicle are slated to arrive 2 weeks after your appointment. We will update your appointment to accommodate the parts order. The new service appointment will be visible in your Tesla app shortly. If date and time does not work for you, please update the appointment in your app or feel free to respond to this message. Thank you for your patience and understanding. So they rescheduled our appointment from October 17th to now October 31, which is Halloween. I had planned to take that day off anyway, that way I could take the kids trick-or-treating. But that's pretty much an example of what could happen. You think you have an appointment ready to go, but I guess the parts are not going to arrive on time and they don't want to keep the car. So those are the 3 things I wanted to share in this first update video. I guess the silver lining with all those issues that we've been having is at least it's not affecting the way we drive the car or the way the car is driven or any safety related issues. We have driven 887 miles so far and we are loving it. I also want to thank the people who have been commenting on the videos. We've been having some good conversations and hopefully I can continue to share some updates with you all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. So those are the 3 updates I wanted to share with you in this video. Just that so fortunately, with all those issues I have shared, what's tomorrow's date? 17th. No. I hate this. This is how you normally travel. For whatever reason, I'm having... I don't know. And I just like... I also want to tank. We have pretty much used it 887. And that's why I wanna. I should go and write a script, but